The first step when you start working in the Good Coach app is to invite new athletes. Let's see how easy it is and how quickly you can invite new athletes to the app. In the app, click the Add button to open a box where you can enter new athletes' details. Let's say we want to invite a new athlete. Every time you enter an email, our system checks whether this athlete already exists in the Good Coach app, so we can determine how to proceed and inform you of what it will look like. Here, it looks like this athlete is not registered yet. In this situation, when I click the Add button, I will automatically create a brand new account in the Good Coach app for this person. So we are adding. You will see it appear on your list. And here are some details we can send to your athlete. Your athlete also received an email with these details. In most cases, they should see it and find the email containing the invitation link. However, if it's not visible, it's worth checking the spam folder. Of course, you can also click it and send this link using a messaging app. You can also use this QR code and send it to the athlete. You can download this QR code and send it. The athlete received the invitation, so let's log out and switch to the athlete's email. The athlete received the email, Activate your account. Here we have a button to activate the account. Here you can see your colours, if you set up your club's custom colours and custom logo. Here is the invitation page. This page is also available on a mobile device. When the athlete opens it on their phone, it will also work correctly. Next, because it's a new account, your athlete must set a new password here. And when they finish this operation, they will already be connected to your club. As you can see here, your app's colours. It will also work on mobile, as I mentioned, because after changing the password, the athlete will be redirected to the mobile app if it's already installed, or to the Google Play Store or App Store to install it. Here, our athlete has been invited and is already logged in, so we can see they are active in the system. In this case, I would add another athlete, for example, a different person. So the account will be created again. At first, the account is inactive, so we have to wait until it becomes active. However, even at this stage, you can already start planning and adding workouts for this person. If you have problems activating the account while the athlete is still inactive, you will see the option Invitation Details here. You can click it and share this link again with your athlete, or send them the QR code again to connect if you are not sure they received the initial one. Once they have activated their account, this option disappears, so it is only available while the athlete is inactive. At this moment, you can also fix anything if you made a typo in their name. You can change the name, and if you made any typos or other mistakes in the email address, you can correct that as well. When you change the email address, the invitation and activation link are sent again to the new address, so you can be sure the correct invitation is delivered there. Another thing is that when we add to the system a person who already exists and is already registered, you will see information that this athlete is already registered. And if this registration was earlier than 7 days ago, the procedure is the same. Your athlete has to click the link in the email. They need to click the link, accept the invitation, log into the app, and then they will be connected. At this moment, you will only see the status Invited. You can still open invitation details, but for an invited athlete, you cannot take any action before they accept your invitation. This is because it might be an existing person with existing data, and it would be a breach of privacy to allow other people to access that data without their consent. The last option is when you do not have an email, or you want to share the option to connect with you with more people. In this case, you can switch to the Quick Connection link and either copy it or share the QR code. When someone opens this link in the app, it can happen on mobile as well. Here, we also check if this person is already registered in the Good Coach app or if the account is entirely new. If the account exists and was created within the last 7 days, you will be connected with this person immediately, without any additional actions. This person only needs to log in to the app. That is it. The connection is created, and you are already connected. In the other case, when a new person is new in the system, they will be transferred here. They have to create an account from scratch. We will also see that they are connected to the coach who shared the quick invitation link. I am also connected to my coach so that I can see their information. You can see that all these people are now on my athletes list. One more comment: when someone is inactive, I can remove them, but only in this inactive state. So I can remove this account, I created it, by adding this athlete, and now I am removing it. But when someone is invited, I cannot remove the person in the same way. Only the invitation is removed, the account still exists in the app. When someone is already connected and active, I can only disconnect them. When we disconnect from this person, they disappear from your list, but they remain in the system and still have a registered account. All athletes who are disconnected from your account are visible in the archive, where you can resend invitations and reconnect with them.